So I'll come directly to the point without wasting any time. So in this pre-fight press conference before the fight of Canelo and Caleb Plant, there was a small brawl kind of thing happening. So Canelo pushed him and the push was so hard that he went flying 8 feet. So in most of the fights there are few guys to separate the fighters so that they don't get into a brawl situation, but here only two ladies were trying to stop. And here you can see that Caleb tried to slap Canelo and Canelo ducked. He escaped. He went unscratched. But Caleb received few injuries. His face was sliced a little because of the goggle he was wearing, which went flying through when Canelo pushed him. I will show you that video also in next coming few seconds. So after that, a few shoves and slaps. There was nothing like calm down situation. Everybody was saying nothing else after that. So here you can see that Canelo pushed Caleb and the push was so hard that he went flying out of the camera frame. It was more than 8 feet he went flying. That the push was really hard, I can say. And after that push, you can, in most of the fights in UFC and other promotions, even Mayweather and McGregor, there were few guys to stop fighters from brawling and getting into a hyper tensed situation. Canelo remained unscratched during this situation, but Caleb received one facial injury. You can see that Caleb is here and he tries to slap Canelo, but Canelo was, he went out of the way. So, and this is the moment when he pushed Caleb and his glass went flying through. You can see in this frame that the glass went flying through, and you can see after that situation he was seen wearing a bandage, and that bandage was because of that scratch he received from the glass he was wearing. Here you can see he is wearing the glass, and here you can see that the scratch he has received because of that glass. It's not like Caleb didn't try to hurt Canelo. He also tried to slap, but Canelo was too fast. He went out of the way to remain safe from that slap. So few people were saying it was staged. Taking inspiration from that Mayweather and Logan Paul fight. You can see here he tries to slap, but Canelo went out of the way. He was too fast. And Canelo is a trained fighter. You can see. And you can see his speed during this exchange. This exchange lasted almost even less than 2 seconds. But you can see that fast hand from Caleb didn't even touch Canelo. And during that time, Caleb ducked and Canelo was able to land 2 strikes. The strikes were not hard, you can see in this video. But in just amount of 2 seconds, within 2 seconds, 3 strikes were shown. This shows the caliber of these fighters, and I can't believe that the Canelo only you can say slapped, kind of, not even a hard slap. So few guys were saying that this is staged, but I don't think so. But it looks like, because Canelo is a trained fighter. He could have punched him directly and knocked him out, because he got chance to connect 2 times through Caleb's face. One connection sent his glass flying off, which scratched his face, and the another open palm strike, which was not a strike, only touched to his head, could have knocked him clean out. Canelo is a trained fighter, so I don't think that he will lose that chance. So few people were saying that this is staged. It looks like a stage because it was taken as an inspiration from Mayweather and Logan Paul brawl, which helped them to create a hype around the fight. But I don't know, guys, what do you think? Please write in the comment section. This has pumped a lot of guys. I was anyway going to tune in to see this fight. Now the interest is more higher and they have generated few headlines. Everybody is now wanting to know their view about the brawl. So yeah, the hype is there because of this incident. What do you think? Was it staged or was it a real brawl? Please tell me your opinion in the comment section. Thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe.